Alright, so guys, we're at West Coast Adventure Park. It's myself and these goons. You guys know them. So it just rained, or it's been raining for the past couple days here in California, or Northern California, and so the ground's muddy, it's wet, and we're very excited to shoot.
Yes, spear fingers.
Oh. Let's go.
Milsimjunkie'S.com, baby.
Game on, 3, 2,
Where we going?
1. Game on, game on, game on.
Call them out. Keep going. They're really trying to shoot us from here. Shh, 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 shh. Don't engage yet. No. All the way down. Move right. Right. Steve, right here. Come over here. Steve, I'm dead serious. Come right here. Right there. They're on the other side. They're on the other side of the ravine. Watch, they're on the other side of the ridge, bro. You guys have all snipers. I'll flush them out. I'll go across the ravine, push them down back to you guys. Oh. My 11 o'clock. My 10 and 11 o'clock. Can you see me? It's me and Q right now. It's me and Q. One's retreating. Keep pushing. Steve and I are pushing. Steve, double time. We could hear you. Sorry if I was overkilling you. I wasn't sure if I was hitting you. Yeah, that's a band. I'll buddy up with Steve. I'm with you. See it? I see it. Blue barrel. Blue barrel. Sorry. GG Max. Contact my 12. And then we got to contact up above the hill too. Let's move. Let's keep pushing them. Yeah, you got me? Yeah. Alright, good job, bro. There's our flag right there. You want to get it?
That's the hill.
Go. Watch out. Stay down. No, stay back. You got one up the hill down here, then 12 o'clock right by the flag. They're defending now. We got one on the hill. That's the only problem. Keep it down. Who is that? Is that friendly? Shit. We got it. Move. Go, Pooh, go. Let me know when you're set.
Go. We got him. Go.
Game. We went from defending to attacking. I was trying to find a pen and then you left.
Me? Oh yeah, sorry, I went to load my mouth. Hi. That was such a cool round.
Yeah, that was good. You and Carl. Moving. Good job, Carl. I saw that. I was like, he got a 6. I was like, I don't got to worry about Steve.
You guys are boogieing, man.
What's your name, dude? Hunter? What's up, Hunter?
Show, right, Hunter?
No?
You ever seen Walking Dead?
Oh,
maybe next year, bro.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is Carl. Carl from Walking Dead. Carl, look, he's outside with a gun. Oh, go figure. Yeah? High five.
Yeah. And they didn't know if you were like looking around. Hey, where's that people?
Hey, what's up? Today's a 50% off discount. Check us out. You have been wearing pink all day.
Yes.
Why?
He supports breast cancer.
I just like pink. Just like pink. Gotta save those boobs because they're awesome.
Yeah, boobs are awesome. I would agree. Boobs are pretty awesome.
On the inside.
I'm thoroughly enjoying this right now. This gentleman right here sold Milsimjunkie'S his first airsoft gun.
His first.
And having him here today is kind of a rarity because he never gets to play airsoft. Is that true?
True story. Cool story, bro.
So Mickey taking apart my VSR10 here on the field.
Just for fun.
Oh, no! He has one himself, and he's a former tech of AEX.
It's really loud. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. I know you're filming.
Tree freedom.
Alright guys, thank you for watching the latest West Coast Adventure Park video. West Coast Adventure Park is becoming one of my more favorite, relatively local to HQ, outdoor fields. Now I do plan on playing some other outdoor fields later in the year. I know I definitely want to check out Hill 559. I definitely want to check out Vacaville Airsoft. You know, like as promised, I'm going to do a lot more traveling and I'm going to be a lot more accessible to you guys, and I just really want to enjoy the sport. As you can see at West Coast Adventure Park, really some solid players out there, some really cool kids that enjoy the sport, and as you guys should too, really enjoy the sport and just hang out and have fun with your friends, and like I do. Definitely, that's how we all enjoy the sport. Just goof off, shoot, and have a nice day. That's basically it. I hope you guys don't mind me playing around with the camera angles and views and stuff like that. I'm really trying to take risks and take chances with the videos, and I really want to show you guys, you know, the best of each field that I visit. Speaking of which, I'm actually probably, when you guys watch this, I'm probably on a plane headed to Southern California. I'm going to meet up with some of your other favorite airsoft YouTubers and some other, you know, stores while I'm out there. To hang out, enjoy the sport. I'm actually going to be playing at SC Viper at SC Village in Chino, California. That should be some epic stuff. So working on that. I'm going to be playing around with more video on that one too. And rest assured, you guys haven't seen nothing yet. I'm really, really excited to show you what else I've been working on behind the scenes and some of the cool stuff. But you guys are going to have to just wait. Be patient. You guys of the MSJ Nation are awesome. Speaking of the MSJ Nation, there's about 94,000 of you guys right now that are watching this video. You know, the MSJ Nation is strong. I want to push that to 100,000 subscribers. So, you know, like, comment, subscribe, tell your family, friends, and anybody that's interested, share these videos. Definitely, I want to get this channel, I want to get you guys, the MSJ Nation, over 100,000. I mean, you guys are huge. I mean, on Instagram alone, there's 10,000 of you guys following on Instagram. That's huge, you know. Definitely, thank you for all the love and support. You know, definitely, when I started the channel, I never thought I would be nearing 100,000 subscribers, let alone having that many followers on other social media outlets as well too. So thank you guys. I'm really humbled, and I'm really, it fuels me to keep doing better and start traveling, and more announcements coming your way. So the guys on the Southeast, not saying anything just yet, but you may see me soon. So with that being said, you guys remember to stay frosty, stay awesome, and remember to play hard, fight hard, guys.